What's up, everybody? Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and we just got the September 2019 subscription box from Alpha Outpost. This is called the Lume Box, L-U-M-E as in luminescence. So here it is. I just cut the tape, haven't looked inside the box. I wanted to experience that with you. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Now, if you guys want to subscribe or check out Alpha Outpost boxes, there's going to be a link down below where you can click on it and buy a single box. You can subscribe. There's always great camping, hiking, outdoor gear from Alpha Outpost. It's actually really neat to get it every month and be surprised. So let's take a look and see what the Lume Box has to offer. So here we go. So every Alpha Outpost box we open up always has an information card first. This is the Lume Box. Looks like you've got a pack list of different lighting products, how to preserve your night vision, flip it over, lighting your campsite, different ways of making light, night vision, all kinds of cool stuff. So I'm going to set that aside. Alpha Outpost always sends out a patch with their box too. Hopefully you can get a good look at that. This is a Firefly patch because we're talking about luminescence. All right, next up, got some Paracord. Now this Paracord is a bright green color, and it is actually a glow-in-the-dark paracord. So you could charge this up with a flashlight or with natural light. If you need to tie something in the dark, you've got some glow-in-the-dark paracord to help you out. That's pretty cool. We'll set that aside. Next thing I see looks like a light bulb. All right, so these are hanging battery-powered bulbs. These are actually awesome. Got a little carabiner on top. They're battery-powered, a little off and on switch so you can hang it inside your tent. I'm going to use these to hang on the little tie downs on the side of the trailer when we have to unpack in the dark. But yeah, hang them in your tent, hang them on your trailer, hang them on the side of your car, carry them with you when you're out and about in the dark. But it's got 1, 2, 3 of those. All right, so we got the bulbs. Looks like we've got a whole bunch of AAA batteries in there. That must have come out of a package or something. I shook it when I got it and I heard it rattling. All right, next up we've got a box in there. Let's see. Always fun with it when there's a box inside the box. And the dogs are excited too. So inside this box, we've got a headlamp, LED headlamp. And it looks like it's got red bulbs on top too. So this is a headlamp, so you can put it on your head, turn it on, have lots of night vision without having your hands be taken up by a flashlight. So whenever you're working in the dark or trying to set up camp or anything like that, or hiking in the dark and you want to have both hands free, a good headlamp is always a great way to go. That's really cool. Looks like it's got rubber on the sides here, so when you replace the batteries, it's got some water resistance to it. Yeah, that's a nice little headlamp. Set that aside. And I've got an Alpha Outpost bag here. Let's see what we've got in here. A Ziploc bag. We've got some rubber ties. We've got a little carry pouch, and this is a strip of LED lighting. So this will actually plug into a USB. So if you have a portable phone charger, you've got nice long. This is a 10-foot strip, I think it says 10 foot on it, a reel of LED lights. So that's awesome. So these, when we're out camping, I could actually string around the trailer, hang from the tent, anything like that, anything you need lighting for. So there's a 10-foot strip of LED lighting. And a nice little carry case, and these great reusable ties. So these you can strap it onto whatever you want and then reuse them. Nice durable rubber there. I shut the blinds, got as dim in here as I could for the early evening here in Arizona. I had to put the batteries and everything. So here's one of the light bulbs, has a little button on the side. So you have a 3-way position on it. You've got bright, a little bit dimmer, and then a flashing emergency light. So we've got 3 of those. This is really neat. So this is the LED light strip. I'm not going to undo the whole thing, but I just want to show you. I plugged it into a portable phone charger. Boom. So you've got an LED strip that's 10 feet long. Turn that guy back off. And then, of course, we've got the headlamp. And the headlamp put the batteries in. It has a button right here on the side and has 1, 2, 3 different brightnesses, and then emergency flashers in red. So there's the first one, second one, third one, and of course it's pretty bright in here right now. I don't know if I'll be able to show you this, but this is the glow-in-the-dark paracord. Let's see if I can. I don't think I can make it dark enough to show you. But believe me, it works. I've already tried it. Glow-in-the-dark paracord. You can see a little bit there. So yeah, so there it is. There's the Lume box. I had to get all the batteries in and show it off. Got your 3 bulbs, your headlamp, your LED light strip, and your glow-in-the-dark paracord. So we've got the LED light strip. Whoop. We've got 1, 2, 3 of the hanging bulbs, the glow-in-the-dark paracord, the LED headlamp, the very cool Firefly patch, and the information card. So that's it. That is the September 2019 Lume Box. I'll get some more footage here coming up when we take these out camping and we get it lit up and you can see what they look like in the dark. But we love getting feedback from you guys too, so please leave a comment below. If there's anything you'd like to see, let us know. We'll see if we can dig it up and show it to you on a video. And we're going to be doing lots more videos, lots more camping gear, hiking gear, stuff with the Jeep, stuff with cooking, all kinds of fun stuff. So hit that subscribe button and be ready for more. That's it for now, everybody. Chris signing off from Bold Canyon Outdoors. Happy trails.